If you are running low on storage space on your iPhone, do this immediately because your phone is at risk. Trust me, your phone may break just because you are running low on storage space and you are still using it. So to manage your storage space, go into your settings, click General, and tap iPhone storage. Now at the top of the screen you see a wonderful chart which displays your storage usage, right? Giving you an indication of the kind of media types or the applications that are taking more storage space on your phone. Now at the bottom or towards the bottom of the screen you see displayed in order of size the application that actually consuming more storage on your device. So one application which is notorious for consuming much of your space is the Photos app. Now if you tap on the Photos application, you can review all your videos, right? Review the videos, and if you tap on the review videos, it would order them in terms of size from the largest video to the smallest video. So if you have large videos on your phone, which of course are contributing to you running low on storage space, you can then go ahead to delete them, or you can then take steps to send them or save them on another device, save them to your files, export them, save them in the cloud. Just do anything to get it off your phone so that you can have some more storage space on your device. Now this setting would also show you other applications that are taking much storage space on your device, and then you can go ahead and take steps to clear the storage. Thank me later.